Hello everyone, my name is Jordan Pohl, and I'm interning for Harmonia's Food and Wine magazine, which is Ireland's most popular publication. This is my first audio-video journal, and I will be responding to the second prompt because I am reflecting back on an internship project that I had. The project I'm working on this video involved me taking on the responsibilities of the assistant editor and attending a photo shoot for the upcoming issue's featured recipes in her place. This was not only a great honor, but also a fantastic chance to put my professional writing skills to use. On top of observing and participating in the photography process, I was also required to edit the featured recipes and take notes of bare changes as I worked with the baker to make each dish before the shoot. These notes would be what the editor and assistant editor would refer to later when updating the final recipes for print, so I had to not only be very thorough, but also very precise and clear in my wording. In taking my notes, I not only had to keep the editor and assistant editor in mind as an audience, but also the readers of Food and Wine magazine as my primary audience. To be able to successfully complete this project, I had to undergo a quick lesson about the Irish cooking culture and how it differs from American cooking culture. For example, many ingredients that I can easily pick up at the nearest buyer in America are much harder to come by in Ireland. In fact, most sauces and seasonings have to be specially ordered online because local grocery stores in Ireland offer very little outside of fresh produce. Another cultural difference I had to adjust to was the change in units of measurement. Just like the units of measurement are different abroad for distance, so are units of measurement for food. Where America uses ounces and cups, Ireland uses milliliters and grams. With a basic understanding of the cultural changes between America and Ireland, as well as my professional writing skills I've been perfecting in class, I felt much better prepared to complete my assignment. The first step I took was creating a list and mentally reviewing the main points the assistant editor wanted me to clarify with the baker. In doing this, I was able to ask all the needed questions without having to continuously badger the baker as we worked. Once all the assistant editor's concerns were addressed, I actually began asking a few questions of my own, because being a cooking novice myself, I wasn't familiar with a lot of ingredients or why they were important to the recipe. It was because of my questions and in-depth notes that the editor was inspired to add a special section to the next issue called "The Science Behind the Sweets." This will include descriptions of each ingredient, what it does, why it's important to the recipe, and where it can be purchased. All in all, this internship is shaping up to be an amazing experience. I had a great time at the photo shoot and even had a chance to show off my professional writing skills in the form of audience awareness, visual rhetoric, active listening and curiosity, and clear and precise summary and instruction composing. I can't wait to see what I do next.